hair to share with you all. It is this beautiful straight hair on my head. This hair is from Toopha hair. I was sent 3 bundles of 16-inch and a 14-inch frontal closure in Indian straight texture. I've never tried Indian texture before. I've never tried a frontal closure before, and I'm very pleased with both of them. I only have in 2 of those 16-inch bundles and the 14-inch closure installed, so I had 1 extra bundle remaining. I just wanted this to just be a very natural looking install, and that is what I got. I've never tried Indian texture hair before, like I've already said, and I'm really liking it. You really have to take your time with this hair though to get it straight, because I did at first try do it lightly and I was like, this hair is not laying for nada. But once I like actually took my time of straightening with it, like y'all can see how straight this hair is, like, and how natural it looks. It actually has a yucky feel. It's not like extremely silky, it still has texture to it. So that's why I'm really feeling this. It feels like African American hair, to be honest. At first I was a little iffy about the hair because it did feel a little bit dry, but I would assume, I guess I wasn't used to that, you know, compared to like Brazilian and Peruvian hair. It's definitely not as silky, but it does feel very natural. As for the closure, this is a frontal closure, which means the closure literally runs from ear to ear, and I literally have all of this as parting space. You get more versatility with a frontal closure. It's pretty much the same as a regular lace closure, except it's just larger in size, and you just have more parting space to play around with. I did a kind of deep side part, which I'm feeling. As for shedding and tangling, I'm not even playing, y'all. Nothing at all. I don't have issues with tangling at all. Like, my hands run completely through this. And as for shedding, when I made the unit, did not have, and I cut the wefts, but I have not had issues with shedding since making the unit. I'm really feeling this hair. I'll definitely keep you all updated. I just love how simple this is looking right here. Don't forget to check out the install video, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Direct links to these bundles, to the closure, and just to their main website will be down below in the description for you. And I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.